Okay, so we're going to go over the basic maintenance for the HRV air exchanger. So the first thing we're going to do is take these two little screws on the bottom off. This is for the cover. On the cover, you just kind of pull out and lift up. It comes right off. Inside here are two filters. One is for the air coming from outside and one's for the air coming out of the house. So these come out. These should be cleaned every 3 months. You can clean them with a mild detergent. If they're not real bad and just kind of dusty, a shop vac or something like that is fine. By mild detergent, dishwash soap or something simple like that. If you do wash them with soap, make sure you rinse them good and put them in. This center cell, I'm just going to pull both of these out. The center cell should be cleaned annually. And that slides out. It's a little hard the first time. After you do it a few times, it'll come out. So what you're going to want to do is pull that out, take it to a laundry tub or a small tub, again with a mild detergent like dish soap or something. And you just kind of rotate it 90 degrees at a time and flush it up and down. And then when you're all done, rinse it out good. Slide it back in. Once you have it back in, put your filters back in. Okay, line up your orange dots. That way you know you have this in the right way. The orange dot on top, your orange dot on top.